First, the boy rises up wearing a fake mask. The girl notices him and feels like she recognizes him, but she doesn't react. Then the boy waves his hand and says, "Hi" to her. The girl also waves back. Suddenly, the boy pulls off the fake mask, quickly lifts it up, and fires at the girl. The girl gets hit and falls to the ground, injured.